It is Wednesday, October 16th, and finally, after months of waiting to get this shit going, we have a mini excavator being dropped off to get the ponds and the driveway in. Finally. Hell yes. Oof, long way. We are in action. Woo. Driveway getting leveled. Oh boy. I'm supposed to learn how to use one of these things. That'll be fun. Now we are making progress. Got a little Kubota excavator in here. And we are moving stuff around. This is freaking exciting. Getting a driveway carved in here. Yeah, level it out all nice, so you don't go sliding off of it in the wintertime when it's all snowy and icy. Nah. Get all the big rocks out of the way and clear some of this brush out of the way. Garage is going over in here. Yay, I wish this was done months ago. I was hoping my barn kit would already be being built right now. Not yet. Yay, photos. Yay, video.